Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a harvest to see what we have here in the garden. We got Cindy and Lily here hanging out with us today. Let's go for a ride. Alright, we're going to make our way down to these beets, and we had a few from a prior video that we were very happy about. Now we're just going to make some room for the remainder of the items. These are a little bit smaller, but that's okay. They're going to be perfect for our family. And check it out, guys. Over here we got some praying mantis eggs. A few of them have already hatched, and we're going to have some fun later on showing and demoing those guys growing. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and pull this one out here. It's a little small, but it's okay. We're going to be making some room, and from my understanding, behind the chard, we have a few more down here. Look at this beautiful garlic. Nope. Look at that, guys. As I was pulling it out, it actually made its way out. Now, as we go in here, do you want to get this onion? No, we'll leave that onion. We're going to make our way in here. We got some more garlic. Here, maybe I'll show you guys a little close-up. Look at that, guys. Okay, now back here we're going to make our way to the carrots. Now the carrots, a few of them might be a little bit overripe, but let's get a little closer in here. Look at that. Pull these through. Wow. Now, once we finish pulling up these carrots, we are planning on adding some compost to fill up. Oh, that one looks a little small. And look, if you guys want to get a little closer, check this out, guys. I found a cut. So I'll be repairing this. Remember, we talked about the importance of maintaining your system. Chances are we may have cut something, and yeah, the line came with it. These look kind of small. That looks like a good size. Look at that. Now we find some little ones. I'm just going to stick them back in. Let's see what happens. Oh, wow. This is the biggest one we got so far. That is a beautiful carrot. Let's see. Now back here, we have a decent amount, so I am very happy with these so far. Look at that. Now, if you guys haven't planted any carrots before. We're just directly seeding them straight to the ground, and we are very happy with the success so far. Now, why am I not pulling all of them? The reason being is a few of them are going into flower. If you guys can come in a little bit closer, this one up here, you'll notice that it's starting to develop a little bit of a flower. At this point, if we eat the carrot, it just might be a little bit too well done, I guess. The stems might not be that great to eat right now, so we're going to just avoid those for now. And I think for now, I'm very happy with the amount of carrots that we have. We are going to be making our way over to the onions back here next. I think these are going to be kind of fun to watch. Alright, and we have our onions. That's going to be it for now, guys. And what do you guys think so far? Not too bad of a harvest. Alright guys, this is the yield that we got for today. We got ourselves some onions, carrots, garlic, beets, and we got some Swiss chard. Now, this isn't the only Swiss chard that we got. We've actually cleaned up our beds, and we have all of this over there. You guys can see the flowers are finally starting to grow. We got some cauliflower that bolted and went to flower purposely. And back here, we have some carrots that we're letting it go to seed, so we don't have to buy any next year. If you guys like today's harvest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the later video. If you haven't seen my prior video of what to do with these carrot tops, definitely watch the how to make chimichurri. Thank you guys, love the support, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.